Hello, welcome. We are going to look at how to find the derivative of this particular equation. We have it y equals to cos brackets open 2x to the power 3 minus 2x squared. Find the y, the x. To solve this one, we need to apply the chain rule. So let's begin with solution. We have the function as y equals to cos brackets open 2x to the power 3 minus 2x squared. So to solve this one, we need to introduce a variable here. So we say let u equals to 2x to the power 3 minus 2x squared. Right, so this implies y, if the u is taking the place of x, we can have y as cos u. Alright, so the chain rule is that if you have dy dx, it should be equals to, in this scenario, it will give us dy du multiplied by du dx. So here you realize that we have dy du multiplied by du dx. So let's look at du dx first. Du dx is going to give us, let's come here, this is a function for u. The u function is here, right? So du dx, apply the differential rule, this will give us 2 multiplied by the coefficient, which is 3x, and we subtract 1 from the top, so that will give us 3 minus 1 minus 2 times 2, so we have 2 times 2x raised to the power 2 minus 1. So this will give us 2 times 3 will give us 6, x to the power 3 minus 1 will give us x squared, minus 2 times 2 will give us 4, and 2x minus 1 will give us x. So this is how we are going to differentiate the function with respect to what? X. That's a u function. Again, we know that y is equals to cos u. So y is equals to cos u. Du, you will get minus sine u. That's what we are going to get. So now let's come and I'll substitute the values into this particular equation. That we have dy du equals to, we have dy dx is equals to dy du multiplied by du dx. But our dy du as minus sine u multiplied by du dx. Du dx was given as 6x squared minus 4x. So we have 6x squared minus 4x. So here u function is given as, let's see, so we have minus sine u, and u was given as 2x to the power 3 minus 2x. So we multiply it by 6x squared minus 4x. So that is dy dx of this function. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do well to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye bye.